Let's now design a website. So the website that we want to design is this. So you have a navigation bar and you have a hero section, and then so this is actually, yeah, go down, and then we have a footer. So we have many things here. So we are going to build this website one after the other, and it might take half an hour time to build this using Bootstrap. Okay. So one thing that you have to observe here is I will go step by step. So instead of saying that, I will go step by step how to build it. Now first thing is we'll focus on this navigation bar. Okay, so there is navs in the Bootstrap. Go to Bootstrap, go to docs, go to components, and then there is navs. So I have actually built that website from here only. So I'm taking the same components and building them. So what component I have used here is, yeah, this bar, this navigation bar I wanted. And in order to get this navigation bar, this is the code that is required, and you can copy the code here, copy to clipboard, and paste it in our HTML. So there are a lot of classes added. All these classes will give you styles from the Bootstrap. Now if you see the preview, we got the navigation bar. There is a small problem here. So let's go to the so this is the navigation bar we got. Let's open the actual website. Yeah, here you have got the navigation bar. It is actually looking the same. So this one is also built using Bootstrap only. So both the navigation bars are actually the same, but only thing is here the names are different, there the names are different. Okay, now let's try to decrease the width of the screen, squeeze it. Now you can see that beyond, if I decrease the width, at some point, go back. Yeah, at some point, this entire menu is becoming a drop down list. Okay, drop down menu. Now if you click on the drop down menu, it will show you the entire menu. Okay, the entire menu is shown. But then in our website that we are building now, it is also showing you the navigation bar, this navigation symbol, menu bar, menu symbol. But if I click on it, nothing is happening. Okay, so why is it not happening is because we need JavaScript for that, but we didn't discuss JavaScript yet. For now, we will discuss it later. For now, I'll use JavaScript, but don't worry about it. I'll discuss it later. So let's now include the JavaScript link. So in the main page of Bootstrap, below the Bootstrap link, there is JavaScript link. So this is JavaScript link. You have to copy it and paste it in the body before the closing tag. So just before you close the body tag, you just paste the JavaScript link. Now you can see that it works. Now it works, right? Now let's change the names. Let's change all these names. So first we have to move it. Okay, and then a logo. So let's fix that. In place of nav bar, we want move it because it is packers and movers. So we named it as move it. And then before that move it, I want that icon. Let's see how to get the icon from Bootstrap. You have already pre-made icons available in Bootstrap. Go to Bootstrap. There you have icons. Click on icon, and then you can search for what type of icon you want. So here there is search. So here you give box. Since it is a packers and movers, a box icon will be better for a logo. So now we got lot of boxes, but this box looks good. Box theme looks good. Click on that, and then you can download it. It is in SVG format. So actually SVG format is good because if you shrink it or if you expand it, resolution will not be lost. So SVGs are good. So download it. So we have downloaded it. Now let's include that picture there, this logo there. in the image source, whatever you have downloaded, you put it there. Now you can check it, some height need to be adjusted there. So box has come, but the box is too small in size. Okay, so let's increase the size of it. Make the height as some 20 or 30. Yeah, now it will be bigger. So we got the name of the company and we got the logo here. Now open the actual website. So here we have home, about and services. Go to the website. So here we have home, but we want about and services. So change the link to about and drop down to services. So you can use Ctrl F to find where the link is and change it to about and then drop down to services. Okay, now open the website. Now there is a button here which is disabled. So we don't require that. So let's delete it. So we are deleting a list item. Now we got what exactly we wanted. See that? So both are having the same navigation bar. Both the websites are having the same navigation bar. And then here there is a small difference. So here we need postcode and check, but here we have search and search. So let's change them both. Again, go to the code, and when you are working with Bootstrap code and replacing, use Ctrl F so that you can go directly to the point. Okay, so here placeholder is changed to postcode and submit. Search is changed to check. Okay, so check and postcode. So both are now looking the same, right? Now go to the actual website. Okay, this one. So next we will do this part. Okay, so this is called the hero section, the part of the website which is actually visible when you first load the website is called the hero section. It is very important because the hero section will talk about what the company is about, what are the services you need, and there will be a hero banner. There will be a banner which actually should be very meaningful, that your customers will understand what you are trying to sell. Okay, so we are going to make this hero section in the next video. Thank you. So let's now build the hero section of the website. So hero section of the website is nothing but the part which will be visible to the user when they first see the website, when the website loads. So if you see this, there is a H1, there is a paragraph, there are two buttons, and there is a picture, right? So let's see if we have any templates available for this. So let's go to examples in Bootstrap website, and then there is heroes here. So the first hero doesn't have a picture. Go to the second one. Yes, this is what we wanted. This is what we used. So we have a H1 paragraph, two buttons, and a picture. So we will take this. How do you take this is from any website. When you see it, just inspect the code, and after that go to the right and keep going up until you get a div which is covering the entire section that you want. Now this div is covering the entire section. It might not be visible for you, but this is a div which is covering the entire section. Now right click on it, and then you have copy. There is copy element. Now copy element, the entire code that is giving you this look will be copied. Okay, let's copy that element and let's paste it below the navigation bar. Okay, now we can open the website and you can see how it looks like. So this is how we got it. Image is missing. We'll put the image. Now let's see the difference between the final website. So final website has some text here and get a quote and contact us and photo. So we will put all those. Okay. So in place of image, we are going to put the image that we have. moving van.jpg, and then in the centered screenshot we are going to put move with joy. And then this text has to be modified, the paragraph text. So entire paragraph has to be replaced. So entire paragraph is replaced, and now primary button has to be changed to get a quote, and secondary button has to be changed to contact us. Now it looks like what we wanted. Now you can see our website and the final website, both are looking the same. Okay, thank you. Till now we have added two components to the website. One is the navigation bar and other one is the hero section. Now below the hero section, so we have a section which is actually talking about our company, especially that it is professional, countrywide, and then personal touch. Now what you call this section is features section. So when you want to write small paragraphs about your offerings, then these are called as features. These are the features of the company. Now for features there are templates available. Let's go to Bootstrap. Let's go to examples, and in the examples you can go down. So this is a quick way of finding a template. So here you can see that features are given. Click on it, and this is what we wanted. This feature is what we wanted. Now we will copy it. So inspect the code. Now select all of them. So see the div which is covering all of them. So this is the div which is covering all of them. Okay. Now let's take it. Right click, copy element, and then you paste it. Now you got features. Okay. But then if you observe it, if you see the features and this one, these boxes are not rounded. So if you see the actual, here boxes are rounded, but in our website the boxes are not rounded. The reason could be because when we copied the code with the classes of the Bootstrap and the Bootstrap code, wherever Bootstrap is applied, we are getting that style. But this may not be, this might be something where Bootstrap is not applied. There can be some styles which are not actually Bootstrap. Some normal CSS can be used, could have been used, right? Now let's inspect that. Let's right click on it and inspect. So if you inspect it, in the styles, if you see, there is something called as dot feature icon. This class is not styled by Bootstrap. They have used custom styling here. Okay, so they have used these three rules. Because of this, our styling was different. Now let's try to change it. Copy this and paste it in our code. In the internal styling, copy it and paste it. Now if you open our website, so it is styled. Okay, now there is a lot of work that has to be done, which is not actually related to web development. We have to change all the text. So let's do one thing. Let's leave it as it is. Let's not change the text because that is unnecessary waste of time. Let's just put some images here. Inside these blue boxes, let's put some images. Okay, one image is sufficient, just show there. So a briefcase image has been kept here, but it has to be bigger. So let's increase the height of it. Height is 30. Now you can see that. Now what you do is you put the images here and increase the height of them. You do it. We are not changing the text here. Now there has to be a right angular brace. If you look at the heroes template, go to the template. Yeah, here there is an icon. Here there is a right button, right click. Okay, let's put one button, one angle. That is not a button. That is simply a greater than symbol. Okay, you got it, right? So you put here and here also. So this actually completes the features. You change the names and the text whatever you want according to your company. Now go to the main website. Now the last part here, carousel has to be done. So what is carousel is, this is a facility where you can actually flip the images or flip the text. For example, if I click here, the images are changing, right? So this is called as carousel section. We will see it in the next video. So till now we have added the navigation bar, heroes, features. Now below the features there is carousel. Now what is carousel is, when you have many images to flip through or when you have text to flip through, then you are going to use carousel. Now what kind of carousel I want is a carousel with indicators. So there are 3 dots, right? So if I click on these 3 dots, the picture will change. I want this kind of carousel. So let's go to Bootstrap and let's go to components, and there is carousel given. Yeah. So let's scroll down. Now the carousel I want is, scroll down, this one. This is the carousel I want with 3 indicators. Okay. So the code is given here to copy for this carousel. So let's copy it to the clipboard and then paste them, and you have to insert the images. So image source is dot here. So there is no image source. So include the images so that you will be able to see the carousel in action. Yeah, that's okay. You can give any order. So in the source of the images, we have added the pictures. Now let's see how it looks like. So it is fine, it is functioning, but then only problem is it has taken the entire width. We don't want it to take the entire width. We want it to take only till this part. Okay. So for that, we will put the carousel inside the container. Now when you use the div with the class container in Bootstrap, it has automatically sizes present, so which are actually responsive. It looks good. So let's go to the carousel section and then let's add a division with class container and let's put the carousel in the container. Now if you see it, now this does not take the entire width. Okay, so according to the extra large size, whatever pixels are required that we have discussed earlier, it has taken only that much. And in fact, this is actually a responsive website. Because we have built everything using Bootstrap. Bootstrap has done responsive styling. So if you try to decrease the size of it, it will respond. See, it is responding, right? So this is a responsive design. Okay, so in the next lecture we will see the footer. Thank you. So we have added all the whatever are required in the website, and then one thing is remaining, that is, go down this part, the footer part. Okay, so there is some section and then some other section and one more section. So this part has to be added. So let's try to add it. Let's go to Bootstrap Go to examples. In the examples, there is footer section. Yeah, footers are there. So this is the footer that we wanted. Okay, some logo is there, and then we have a copyright, and then this part we want. So let's inspect it. You can inspect it and then go to the div which is covering everything. Yeah, this div is covering everything, entire part. So we will copy element, right click on it, copy element, and then add it at the end. So you have got the footer. Okay. So you have got the footer here. So this is what we wanted. Now one interesting thing I want to show you is, so Bootstrap also has dark mode. If you use dark mode, the entire website will be in black. Okay. So go to Bootstrap website. I will show you how to get it. Go to docs, go to colors, go to color modes is there. Click on color modes. Now you can see that there is dark mode. Now how to get the dark mode is here. Yeah, enabling dark mode is you have to just add this class data BS theme, data bootstrap theme dark. That's it. If you add that to HTML tag at the beginning after the language, then automatically your website will become dark mode. Now this looks even more beautiful, right? So everything is in black, right? So all that you need to do is change this text and make it in such a way that it all actually represents your own website and host it. Okay, so how to host it and all, we will see that later. Then this is just the front end. So we will do one more website, then you will be confident. Then we will see the back end of it. Okay, JavaScript, and then go to back end. Thank you.